Hello, everyone. I am Robinson Mulwanda, and we came to India for medical treatments toward my uncle, Donald Chilolo here. And I would like just to thank you, Dr. Subi, for the hospitality and the help that he has done toward us. You know, since we came to India, we have never been lonely. And I could recall before we came to India, we were looking for the place where we can come for medical treatment toward my uncle. And someone connected us to Dr. Subi, and since then Dr. Subi has been helping us in so many ways. He's been there for us from the visa processing up to India. From the airport there, picking up us, and also he's been with us all alone until today when we'll be going back. I just want to thank Dr. Subi of Lifeboat Medical Tourism Company for all the helps that he has done. His team also, because since we came here, he has been with us. You know, you can call him, you can call anytime you need consultation, and he's been there. We've been calling nights, we've been calling times which sometimes she might be busy, but she always responds. And we want to thank you. There is a big difference. My uncle came here in 2019 in a different hospital where he did some some treatments which was not well done, but this time we are appreciating God through also Lifeboat Medical Tourism Company of Dr. Subi, because now as we are going back, we've seen a lot of changes. And we are also encouraging others that maybe trying to find ways of coming for medicals in India, that you can contact Dr. Subi and the team. This life